Hello everyone, in this video we are discussing packages in Java. A Java package is a group of similar types of classes, interfaces and sub-packages. Packages in Java are of two types, built-in packages and user-defined packages. So built-in packages are classified as a lang package, AWT package, then swing package, IO package, util package and so on. There are number of packages provided by Java. Now we will see what are the advantages of using packages. The basic idea behind a package is it is a collection of classes that you can use anywhere in the another programs like header files in C or C++. When you are specifying a header file at the start of any program in C or in C++, you can use the functions defined in that header file in your program. For example, if you are using stdio.h in C program, because of this you can use that printf and scanf statement in C. Okay. When you compile the program or execute the program, it will not give you an error. Why is it so? Because definition of this printf and scanf function is given in this stdio.h header file. In the same way, packages allows you to use the functions or the classes defined in that package to be used in another packages or in another classes. So this is the basic idea behind packages. Now we will discuss advantages of using packages. Java package is used to categorize the classes and interfaces so that they can be easily maintained. And the another advantage of using packages, it provides access protection and it removes naming collision. If suppose somebody is having the same class and trying to use the same class name, and in that case because of the packages this naming collision problem will not occur. So these are some advantages of packages in Java. Now we are discussing one simple example of a package. Package is to be written with the help of a syntax. This package is a keyword in Java and mypack is the name of package. So you can give any name to the package. I have given the name to the package as mypack. Now this is public class simple. The name of class is simple and this is a main method, and what I have done, I have displayed a statement welcome to package. So this is the simplest program. Now the method for compilation is you have to compile this package with the command javac then -d simple.java, where simple is the name of my class. Now what is the role of this -d? It specifies the destination where to put the generated class. That is the location of this file or location of this class will be decided by this syntax. And if you want to put the package in same directory, you have to use a dot. That is, you have to specify dot here to put the package in the same directory. And method to execute a package is java package name dot class name. So here our package name is mypack and class name is simple. So this is how the program is compiled, and after compilation you will get the output welcome to package, which is given in our display statement. So this is idea behind a package. Now we will discuss how to use this package. That is example of a package. So here package pack, I have created another package with name pack. This is the class A and this is a simple message method public void message which is displaying a statement hello. Okay. Now what I am doing, I am creating another package, that is I am calling a package or using a package in another package. So package mypack then import pack dot star. Star indicates all the classes in the package. Suppose I have to use only one class, I can specify directly the name of that class. So you know that in package there is only single class A, so I can directly specify class A also. So here either you can specify star to use all the classes in the package, or you can directly specify the name of that class that you want to use in this another package. So the name of the second package is now my pack, and you have imported the package, that is pack, which we have already created here. Now this is my class B, this is my main method, and what I am doing here, A of OB equal to new A. That is what I have done. I have created an object of a class A. Where this class A is located? This class A is located in package pack. And how is it possible to use it? Because we have imported this package in the another package, and the output will be ob.message. That is, we have called this message method here. That's why we are getting output hello. So this is about the packages in Java. We have discussed the use of packages, advantages of packages, types of packages. Then we discuss a simple example, that is how to create a package, how to compile and execute a package, and then we have discussed how to use a package in another package, that is how to import a package in another package. So I hope this makes your understanding clear. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to see more videos.